Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato zucchini pancakes. They're so easy, so delicious, perfect side dish or meal itself. I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how they come together, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need some vegetable oil. These are just a couple of medium-sized potatoes that I've grated. The same thing with the zucchini. You're going to need some flour, onion, sour cream, an egg, salt, and some pepper. And that is it. Alright, so for the sake of saving some space, all I did was into my bowl with my potatoes, I just added in the zucchini and then my onion. And I'm just going to give this a rough toss to try to kind of combine it all together. Alright, so that is that. So now to finish this off, before we go ahead and fry, you're just going to add everything in. You're going to add in your flour, your egg, and then about a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now sour cream, you may ask? Yes, and let me tell you why. The sour cream is going to make your potato pancake really crispy. So that is why I added to this. It also gives it a little bit of an extra flavor. So once this is combined, I'm just going to finish it off with some salt and pepper. Okay, and to finish it off before we fry, I'm going to add a generous pinch of salt because potatoes love salt. You got to remember that. So generous pinch of salt, maybe another pinch. I do have a little bit more in here, so I'm going to be generous with my salt. And then black pepper to taste, so as little or as much as you want. And then I am going to just finish mixing this up. Okay, now here comes the fun part. I have my vegetable oil in my pan, and I just threw 1 slice of the potato in there just to see if it's ready, and it is. So what I do is I take a measuring cup, I do about 1/2 cup of the mixture, and I just add it in to my pan, just like so. And you're gonna fry these for, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just to make sure that they're fully cooked through. And then you can serve them with some additional sour cream. You can do some chives, whatever your heart desires. But they're so good. They're so easy. You saw it takes no time to put together. I think the most consuming part is just the grating, but you can use a food processor. So just keep your eye on these. Just flip them after 2 to 3 minutes once they're golden brown and ready. And then cook the other side and you're good to go. Okay, so they were cooking on each side for about 4 minutes. So I'm just going to flip them. And what I do so that they don't fall apart is I take a fork. I just kind of hold it like so and flip them, and you're going to cook them for the same time on the other side or until they're fully cooked through, and then you can go ahead and enjoy.